My name is Siv Ngesi, actor, comedian, TV presenter, and co-founder of the MENstruation Foundation. Now, many people do not know that some women across the world have to pick between a loaf of bread or the dignity of a sanitary product. That young women who go to school, some of them miss up to 4 to 5 days of school per month because they cannot afford a sanitary product. That the world is more disgusted in period blood than they are in the injustice of period poverty. So we're fighting period poverty one woman at a time. I just want to take a moment to thank Land Rover South Africa for giving us this unbelievable defender. Thank you so much for getting your hands dirty and helping us fight and beat period poverty. I want to thank once again MENstruation Foundation, Gen X, and Old Graceland. You guys are unbelievable people and I'm honored to work with you all. Let us all fight and beat period poverty. Period.